If you want to install an iOS launcher on Google Pixel 9a, we can go to the Play Store and we can simply search for iOS launcher. There are multiple different launchers that we can get from the Play Store. However, in this case, I'm just gonna choose perhaps, let's see, I would say this one over here. So I'll install this one. If you don't like it, then try anything else. Feel free to try anything else from the Play Store. However, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this one. So let's press open. Let's press consent. And of course, you might see add in the meantime. There we go. We are loading an app. We should be able to close it pretty quickly. Now we can select the language, the preferred language for our launcher. So I'm going to choose English, press continue. Now let's go next. And let's get started. And soon after that, we can select the wallpapers. If you want to switch the wallpaper, then of course you can select any of these that you like. You can also skip in the top right corner in order to keep the current one. Over here we can press continue with free version. Let's close this ad as well. Let's wait for the setup to be done. And then we should be able to tap on the screen. There we go. We can also set the launcher as the default one so that we don't go back to the old one. I'm just gonna choose to set it up later. Over here we can just ignore for that for now. We have blur effect issue information, which appears pretty much all the time due to the Android version being above 13. So we can select don't ask later. And there we go. Here now we have our iOS launcher. As you can see, we also have the app library, and we can start using our iOS launcher pretty easily. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!